cold outside. So I just had a slight freak out moment. I saw that the mirrors on my truck were smoking, or I saw that one was smoking. You probably can't see it. But there was a bunch of smoke coming like out of the mirror. And I was like, is my mirror on fire? I think they're heated mirrors. Because they're warm. That freaked me out for a second. I thought my truck was on fire. Oh God. Because there's not a button in here for heated mirrors. So I'm wondering if the defrost turns on the mirrors also. I don't know. I feel really stupid with that. Okay, anyway. So I kind of want to make a little update on the Colorado. I got new wheels and tires for it. I'm gonna try to just get straight to it. So they are Method Racing wheels. They are 17 by 8.5. The tires that I have on it are Wild Peaks. It's all terrains. I have them on my S10. They are 265 70 by 17s. And on a stock Colorado, they will absolutely rub in the front. I have a 2-inch leveling kit on it that I got put on. Without the leveling kit, they rub right here really bad. With the leveling kit on it, they don't rub that bad anymore. At least they don't really rub in the back. They kind of rub in the front. Right in here, but they actually make a bracket that can move this piece of plastic further in. So I'll probably do that next. Sorry, the ground is really icy and unstable. I just got them put on. I like them. I like the wheels. Oh, they're gloss titanium. Like I said, they're gloss titanium. I think they're a 0 offset. They poke out a little bit. But I like them. I like these tires too. Like I said, I cannot walk. It's so icy and lumpy right now. But I think it looks good. I definitely like it with the leveling kit. It doesn't sit. Let me use my other hand. It doesn't sit like that anymore. Definitely looks better. Definitely drives better. It does rub in. I'm gonna fall. It does rub in reverse a little bit. So like I said, they're 265 70s 17s, and on a stock Colorado, like I said, they will absolutely rub in the front, at least with that aggressive tread style. I know a guy that has 265 60s 17s or 65 17s, and he says that they don't rub, but it also has a leveling kit also. So people and their trash. Oh my gosh. I hate people that litter, man. It freaking absolutely pisses me off. Anyway, that's really it. Just want to do a short update. I like it. I think it looks a lot better now. Anyway, I'm gonna get back home. I wanted to just make the video short, quick, straight to the point. So I'm gonna go home. This snow is so frozen. It's crunchy.